What's up everybody, Nate here, and today we're going to be checking out the cryptocurrency investing app, Coinbase. I just created a brand new Coinbase account and I'm going to walk you through everything there is to know about Coinbase. We're going to be going over all of the features on Coinbase, from trading to buying and holding coins to what they actually offer, and so much more. I'm going to show you everything that I love about this Coinbase app, and I'm also going to show you some things where it could use some improvement. But before we do anything else, the first step is just downloading the app yourself. If you want a super easy way to do that, check out the link in the description below. That will send you over to Coinbase so you can sign up for your free account. I will say we are affiliated with Coinbase over here, so if you click on the link below and you start using Coinbase, we will be compensated. But that is at no additional cost to you, and it does not change my opinions, thoughts, and ideas that I have about Coinbase and its app. But enough talk, let's actually jump into the Coinbase app and check it out. All right, so here we are in the Coinbase app. So once you've gone ahead and downloaded it using that link in the description below, you're going to be sent to a page that looks something like this. Now, the first thing I want to show you here is earn $5 with Bitcoin. So when you actually set up your account with Coinbase and put in a payment method, when you purchase your first cryptocurrency on Coinbase, you'll actually get $5 in Bitcoin. So before you do anything else here, be sure to set up your payment method and your bank account. So let's go ahead and do that now, and I'll meet you back right here when we're done. Okay, so once you have added your payment method onto Coinbase, you should get a screen like this. It'll say all done, congratulations, your account has been successfully added. Okay, so once you have gone ahead and added your payment method, you should be at a page like this. You can actually start to buy cryptocurrency right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me show you how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Once you have your payment method all set up, you can get your $5 in Bitcoin once you actually make a cryptocurrency transaction. So from this page, go ahead and just click buy crypto. You're gonna see a whole bunch of other cryptocurrencies. Now, as you can see here, the price of Bitcoin is $38,766 at the moment. Now, this is gonna fluctuate pretty heavily over the hours in a trading day. So keep that in mind. Now, the cool thing about Coinbase is it actually allows me to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin without actually having $38,766. I'll show you how. If you go ahead and click Bitcoin here and you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can buy a small fraction of Bitcoin right now. If I go ahead and put in $5 worth of Bitcoin, I can preview that purchase. You can also set up reoccurring payments, so I can actually do this daily, weekly, twice a month, or just every single month. That actually allows me to completely forget about my purchases with Coinbase and invest completely passively. But for now, I'm just going to put in a one-time purchase of $5 worth of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and preview this buy. It'll bring up a order preview and it'll show you exactly how much Bitcoin you're purchasing. And as you can see, this number is fluctuating as we're sitting here because the price and value of Bitcoin is also changing. So you can check out this, make sure your payment method is correct. It'll show you exactly what Bitcoin is trading at this particular moment in time. I'm buying $5. All of this looks correct to me. So without further ado, go ahead and click buy now. And there you go. Your order is pending. Now, it'll take a few days for the order to actually go through, but you'll actually have purchased that much Bitcoin for the amount of money that you put in. So pretty cool. All right, so after you've done that, it'll take you back over to the homepage so I can show you everything else that's really cool about this app. So from the homepage, you're gonna see a variety of different things. First up, you're gonna see your watch list, so you can add or delete certain cryptocurrencies from this watch list. These are all the coins that you wanna stay up to date on the most. So you can add all of these down here, like in your top movers section. You could also add Ethereum. It auto-generates Bitcoin for you, and I can remove Bitcoin if I want to, so then I don't have any alerts for Bitcoin. So what this is basically going to do is give you push notifications on your phone or in the app itself that'll actually tell you how Bitcoin is performing throughout the day. So you don't need to sit here and actually hold your phone and watch the price of Bitcoin go up and down for you to be notified and in the loop about how Bitcoin is doing. While we're on this page though, let me actually show you what is going on here. So this is the one-day chart for Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's going up pretty crazy right now. There's a lot going on in the world, but we can actually track how it's doing hour by hour and even minute by minute. So we can actually hover over to an hour or a day and even a week to see the progress of how Bitcoin has performed. This is going to give me a ton of cool information that will hopefully better inform me on if I want to buy this coin or not. I can actually click this line and hover over individual spots. Now again, this was over the past week. You can see how it's been improved. This number in the green is going to show you that it's going up by a certain amount. And of course, if we go to a spot where it's in the red, that's how much it has decreased. So pretty cool. It shows you how it's performing, which again, gives you a lot of really cool info about your asset purchases. Of course, if you scroll down here, you can see some more information about Bitcoin. You can go ahead and click view more in the details section. That'll give you a lot more info about how Bitcoin works, things to keep in mind about Bitcoin in particular. And you can do this for any one of these coins. You just need to go and click on them, which I'll show you in just a second. More cool stats about Bitcoin, from market cap to its volume and trading activity. And then my personal favorite, the news section. So this is going to give you all of the information that you need to know in order to make a purchase of Bitcoin and an informed purchase of Bitcoin. So you can see what are companies doing with Bitcoin, how has the market progressed, why exactly is it going down right now. You can do all of that in the Coinbase app, which I personally love, being a news guy that needs to know everything that's going on every single day. And again, if you click view more here, you're going to get a ton of other types of stories regarding Bitcoin. All of that is going to show you what is going on in the Bitcoin market right now. All of this information right here, that's just stats, right? That just shows you if it's going up or it's going down. But this down here actually gives you information on why it might be going up and down. That's going to help you make a decision if right now is a good time to buy, or if maybe you should wait a little bit, or if Bitcoin's even right for you. Pretty cool stuff. And again, I own some Bitcoin. If I go back over to the home page here, I've got $4 worth of Bitcoin. If I go back to Bitcoin's page, I can actually trade this if I want to. I can trade it with someone else, buy it with cash. I can do whatever I want with my $4 of Bitcoin. Again, I don't hold an entire Bitcoin. I just hold a fractional piece of Bitcoin. And one last thing here that you can do on pretty much all of these coins pages, you can actually go right next to this star and click this right here. This is actually really interesting that I don't see a lot of financial apps doing. You can share this, so you can actually send this to a message, you can copy the link, and this is just a chart of Bitcoin's progress during the particular period that you selected below. So you can say a day or a week or a month. You can share this on social, you can download it, so that way you can share with your friends and family or coworkers this asset that you are really interested in. I think that is really cool because it kind of brings that social aspect that I think investing is really missing nowadays. But let's go ahead and go back over to the homepage because there is a ton more stuff that I want to show you guys. So right from the homepage, you can go down to top movers. That's going to show you some of the other things that people are investing in and some things that people are kind of kicking to the curb right now. There's a bunch of different things here. I won't go into all of them individually, but these are all different types of cryptocurrencies. In addition, you're going to have more news and more info right here on the homepage that is auto-generated by Coinbase. Now, remember when you first were creating your Coinbase account, Coinbase had a ton of questions for you. Well, the reason they had all those questions is for this right here. They want to create information in a tab that is based on what you are interested in and what you want to learn. And all of that is right here. It's going to give you some news. It's going to give you some info from Coinbase itself. All of that is in an effort to make you a better cryptocurrency investor. So be sure to check that out. There's a ton of free, useful information right here from the homepage. Lastly, you can go ahead and scroll over to the different tabs on the bottom here. So you can scroll over to your assets tab. This will show you the balance of all of your assets. How are they trading day by day? Now, I only have the one on here, which is currently valued at $3.99. That's Bitcoin. But if I had more here, it would probably be fluctuating a lot more consistently. And I can check that out for a year, for a month, and even just a few hours. It's going to show me exactly what is going on with my assets, all from this page. In addition, I can go over to trade and we can see everything that is available to trade right now. This is kind of like your hub for finding different assets. Coinbase is going to generate a bunch right here from the homepage. You can see all of the tradable cryptocurrencies on Coinbase right now by clicking see all, and then you can scroll through and you can trade any one of these. So you can buy these, you can hold these, you can sell these, any one that you want. And you've got your watch list here. So if you want to add any of these to your watch list, just go ahead and click on the asset and then click the star. So I'm going to add Ethereum to my watch list. I go ahead and click that star. It's now filled in with blue. Go back, go over to my watch list, and there is Ethereum. So even on the home page now, Ethereum pops right up. I don't have to go anywhere. It's going to give me notifications directly to my phone about Bitcoin and Ethereum now. Pretty cool. And then of course, right from the home page, you can do all of these different things: buy, sell, send, receive, and more. The cool thing about cryptocurrency is it's a currency. So if you want to send it to someone, if you want to buy something with it, you can actually do that all from the home page, and all with the Coinbase app. So you don't need to actually sell your investment first in order to get some money from it. You can send your cryptocurrency, and then whoever you send it to can use it just like you would. And of course, by clicking more, you're going to get a ton more options. You can add some cash, which will actually be from your bank account, and you can just cash out. So whatever your balance is up here, you can cash that out and get US dollars for all of your cryptocurrency. The Coinbase app is super, super cool. Now, with all of that being said, I think there are a few things that I'd like to see come to this app. The first is if you go over to trade, a lot of these apps allow you to add companies and stocks or cryptocurrency way easier to your watch list. Obviously, the only way that I can do it on Coinbase is if I click one of these coins and then I add it to my watch list. There's not really another way for me to do that. I have to literally click each individual one. I can't just do it right from this page. Even if I click see all here, I can't just do it right from this page. I actually have to click each one individually. So that kind of slows things down, especially if I want to watch like a bunch of these. I have to add all of them in individually, which can be kind of a pain. In addition, I haven't really found a new way to make another watch list. I can only have one watch list on Coinbase. So if I want to have multiple to watch for different reasons, I can't really do that. I can just have the one watch list, and there's not really a lot of customization that you can do on Coinbase. Lastly, Coinbase is pretty basic when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. I mean, there's not really a lot going on here. I can see my balance, buy and sell and send cryptocurrency. There's also my watch list and then some news here, but that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not a ton of info or resources on Coinbase. I mean, for the particular coins, especially the big ones like Bitcoin, I can go in and learn a lot about these particular assets. But overall, there's not really a lot going on here. I don't really have a lot of comparison tools. I don't really have a lot of ways to adjust my assets in general. It's pretty much just, here is your cryptocurrency and what would you like to do with it? That is basically all that is going on with the Coinbase app. In addition, the level of customization just isn't there when compared to other business and financial apps. Like I said, there's not really much I can do other than just adding some coins to a watch list. That's pretty much it. So I don't really feel like my wallet or my assets are unique here. I feel like it's all pretty much the same as everyone else is doing. But with that being said, Coinbase is still a super cool app, especially if you are a beginner in the cryptocurrency investing space. The app is super, super easy and super simple to use, but it does lack some of that customization that some experts and intermediate crypto investors might really be looking for. I'm still a Coinbase newbie, but I will definitely keep this app and check it out. I love the fact that they give you $5 when you purchase your first pieces of cryptocurrency. And they make it super easy to just buy and sell crypto. Even if you don't have $38,000 to invest in Bitcoin right now, I can still get in on it. Meaning even an asset like cryptocurrency is super accessible to anyone. But that pretty much wraps up everything you need to know about the Coinbase app. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see even more business and financial app breakdowns, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That is it for me, everyone. Be kind out there, and I'll see you all in the next one.